Hi, I'm David with General Air. Welding gloves are about as personal preference as your socks, but I have 3 pairs of gloves here that I use for running around the shop and doing different things. Let's take a look at these gloves and see what makes them quality. These are the Black Stallion Tigsters. I like these gloves for all my TIG welding jobs and the way that they fit. They're very tight and they're very flexible. They also have a special feature on the inside of these fingers and the thumb. It's a different type of leather that gives you more grip on the filler rod. This keeps your filler rod stable and gives you those quality TIG welds. These are the Black Stallion BM88s. Definitely my favorite MIG welding glove. On the backhand side of the glove, it's got some extra protection around here, so when you're welding and using a guide hand, it doesn't get hot on the back of your hand. But definitely my favorite feature has got to be the pigskin palms. Unlike leather, when the pigskin gets hot, it doesn't curl up and shrink up, making your gloves worthless. You can use them for quite a lot longer and keep that dexterity. These are the Lincoln roll cage gloves. Definitely use these for your high amp, high heat applications like your self-shielded flux cores. The thing that I like about them the best are these backhand protectors that's built into the glove. They have an incredible amount of heat resistance, and also you can hit your hand against your material without getting cut. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed our video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see what we're doing or see what we're up to, we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks so much.